2 million modern minimalist house, no spot down payment, with tiles, balcony and fence, and free water and electricity installation. San ka pa, diba? Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. For as low as 10,700 monthly sa Pag-ibig, meron ka ng 2-story townhouse with balcony. May lot area ito na 48 square meters, kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 carport. At service area na pwede natin gamitin for future home expansion. At with fence na rin ito. May floor area na 53.2 square meters, kaya naman may enough space tayo for minimalist living, dining, and kitchen area. Aesthetic na din ang ating tiled kitchen countertop and tiles, kaya naman livable na to upon turnover. Meron itong 1 toilet and bath with complete fixture at may provision ito for 2 bedroom. At kapag nakapagpa-extension ka, pwede ka pang mag-add ng mga rooms. Napakasulit talaga for only 2 million total contract price. At ang net DP ay 274,000 at payable ito ng 12 to 18 months for only 15,222. Subject for approval ito. At ang ating estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig ay 10,784 lang. Limited slots lang ang available, kaya habang meron pa tayong no spot down payment modern design 2-story townhouse na 2 million ang TCP, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive housing mo. So, bye-bye!